Here's a quick tip in order to get an anchor or a plug out of a plasterboard or jibboard without doing any damage. This is my studio wall, so I don't mind damaging it, but if you go to use a hammer on the wall in somebody's house, you'll make marks like that. So grab a screw, 50 mil, something like that, pop it in about that far. For this next bit, you'll need either a small block of wood, I carry this in my tool bag, or a small spirit level and a claw hammer. Grab your block of wood or little spirit level, claw hammer goes underneath and slowly pull it out. The other thing about using a block of wood or a spirit level is that it doesn't pull, you won't be pulling it down at such an angle to create more damage there. And as you can see, there would be no damage at all to the wall, only what you can see from what I did with the demonstration earlier. So, and there you go. Simple as that.